we're talking first about FTMO. Now, this is a company that is becoming more and more popular with traders on the internet because they're putting out a lot of ads and they're getting their name out there by saying that they're funding traders and they're putting money behind retail guys like you and me to fund them and get them larger accounts. So people have been asking me, Austin, what's your opinion on this? Can we go with this? Should we try to go with this? Should we spend our time on it? My thoughts are this, and I'm not here to knock anybody's business. I don't mean this in any disrespect to FTMO or any other business out there. That's not what my channel is here to do. I'm just going to say that I don't know anyone that's made money using them. I know a lot of people that have tried and ended up not talking to me about it anymore after that because I told them that I didn't think it would work. Just because, in my opinion, there are no shortcuts. That's just what I think. I know you can go to a prop firm and get funded, and that is a route that a lot of people can go. But this funding of retail traders thing, I think, is short-lived. It has something to do, in my opinion, with all the available credit in the economy right now, and I think it's going to be, like I said, short-lived. But I could be wrong, and people could trade with them and make money, and that's great. But for me, I didn't need it. I don't think any of you need it. I think if you don't have enough money to trade right now, if you need more money to get to the size that you want to get to, that's fine. But it's not going to come from FTMO. You need to find another way to generate income. Trading is entrepreneurial. You shouldn't be closed-minded to think that trading is going to be your one source of income, because right now, for most of you, it probably isn't. You're going to need to generate multiple streams of income for a long period of time to build up a trading account that is 6-7 figures big that can then sustain you full-time if you wanted it to. But at that point, you're going to have other businesses and you're not going to just trade. That's what's happened with us. As our trading account has grown, it's opened up other opportunities for us to put our money in different places and see the return from that to create other income streams. So that's what I want to see all of you do, is accept the entrepreneurial aspect of trading and not look for that shortcut in FTMO or any other funding company. If you want to go the prop route, that's fine. That pulls you out of the retail space though. I'm talking guys that want to stay retail like me. The best thing for us to do is stay entrepreneurial. So if you want to ever brainstorm with me about business ideas, I love talking about it. I love growing businesses. So please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to discuss that with you.